So, ang expectation mas malaki.
Excited ako eh. Actually, itong project na to, last year pa binanggit sa akin ni Boss Vic. Sabi niya, gawa tayo ng isang pelikula para kay Yen Durano. Sabi niya na parang burlesque, yun lang ang binanggit niya. But it took Ricky and I a long while bago makapag-isip ng material. Na-tense ba ako? Actually, na-excite ako kasi ang unang sabi ni Boss Vic, gawin natin ito, Mac. Gagawin natin siyang daring, pero cinema release siya. At that time, ang ginagawa ko, puro Viva Max na BSX ngayon. So, nung nakarinig ako ng cinema release, natuwa ako. Dahil tuwing may palalabas na pelikula sa sinehan, na-excite ako eh. So, yes, I was, like, in doing all projects, lagi namang may tension eh. Pero may added excitement. Kasi, lalo na nung nabuo na ni Ricky yung kwento. It took quite a while kasi may research and etc. And we knew from the very start na we wanted a period movie.
Yeah.
Well, honestly, I'm so grateful lang din to the Viva family for trusting me with this project. It's not easy. Alam namin yan nila Direk. And knowing Direk standards, thank you for believing in me and helping me and pushing me to embody who Celestina is in your head. So, ayun, I'm just very happy na maganda yung mga kasama ko dito. And for the second Viva Max original sa Sinehan, I think this is really big. Kasi ang ganda ng kwento eh. Maganda talaga yung kwento. Siyempre si Sir Ricky Lee po ang nagsulat. And of course si Direk Mac po ang nag-direct ng whole film.
Yeah.
So, ayun. Alam nyo na abangan nyo, maganda yan. Hindi naman mag-release si Direk ng kung ano-ano lang eh. So, yan.
Yes, and i-add ko lang that like we're very excited for you guys to watch this film kasi when we were doing this project, sobrang even me and Yen was like it was a period film and it's actually my first time also doing period film and hindi siya madali. Pero yeah, we're very excited po para sa inyo na mapanood niyo po itong film.